Hello children, today we are going to study mathematics page number 20. But before that children, we all know that you can change the shape by changing angles. And now children, if you want to make similar shapes, you should know the angles between them. Now children, the girls are asking how to make equal angles. Now see, they are telling you to how to make the equal angles. So this girl is saying that let us make angle tester. Now see children, to make equal angles or to see whether the angles are equal or not, there is one angle tester in your compass like this. This is called divider. What is this called? Divider. See, you also have an angle tester in your geometric box and it is called divider. So this is divider and it is also an angle tester. Now children, they are doing one activity. They are making an angle tester out of cardboard sheet. How? See, cut two strips from the cardboard sheet. Fix them with the drawing pin such that both the strips can move around easily. So this is, they made an angle tester out of cardboard sheet. See children, how they made it. Now, what this Rohini and Mohini did, Rohini and Mohini went all around with the angle tester to look for different angles in their class. Now, what Rohini tested the angle of the mat's book and the pencil box. Look at the angle tester. It has opened like the letter L. Now children, if you look at the book, you will find the angle between the book is L shaped, isn't it? This, if you keep an angle tester over it, it will open like L. So this is the right angle. We write it as letter L. So the angles that open, if the angle tester is opening in the shape of L, then this is called right angle. This is which angle children? Right angle. So the first angle that we came to know in this chapter is right angle. Now children, they are giving you one activity. They are telling you to go around with your tester and draw here those things in which the tester opens like letter L. Are you sure they are all right angles? So this is an activity and you have to draw the pictures of those things where the tester opens like letter L. So this activity you have to do it on your own. Now children, let's see practice sign. Now children, in this practice time, we will see angle, whether it is right angle or right angle means you know children, it opens in the shape L. Whether it is more than right angle or whether it is less than right angle. Now children, here is the pair of scissors and one angle is marked here. If you look at it, it is not L but it is less than L. See children, like this. It is somewhere here. So it is less than 90 right angle. So we will mark here it is less than right angle. Now children, if you see at this man, the arm of this man, the arm of this man is making exactly L. So what it will be? It will come here in this column, that is right angle. Now children, if you look at this also, it is also exactly L, isn't it? So this is again right angle. Now children, if you look here, you will find that it is more than right angle, isn't it? Somewhat it is opening like this, so it is more than right angle, that we will mark it here. Now see children, more than right angle means what? See, this is our right angle, this is less than right angle, and this, if it is opening outside, then this will be our more than right angle. Understood children? If it is opening inside right angle, then it is less than right angle, and if it is opening outside right angle, then it is more than right angle. Now children, if you look at this is again somewhat like this, and our L comes here, so it is more than right angle. Understood children? Now we will go to next page, that is page number 22. Now children, we are going to see Sukma made this picture with so many angles. So in these pictures there are many angles hidden, and they are telling you to use color pencils to mark the right angles with black color. Now see children, we have to mark right angles with black color. Now here I am using only pencil, but you can use black color, green color and blue color to mark the different angles. Now see, we have to use right angles to mark black color. Now let's see what right angles we have here. If you look at this lady's finger, we will see that it is marking like right angle over here. So this is one we got. Again children, if you look at this foot, this is right angle, this is right angle, isn't it? This is right angle. Okay, again where can you see the L shape? This is also L. You can find it on your own also children. So wherever you find this L, that is right angle. Okay children, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now see the next is, now children, they are telling you to mark angles with more than right angle with green. Now if you look at this umbrella shape, it is more than right angle. So I will write here obtuse angle. We know that more than right angle is obtuse angle, but still the name doesn't came. So now see children, again where can I have that right angle, more than right angle? See this here also I am seeing that it is more than right angle. See here children, this part is also more than right angle. So in this way we can find it out. So you have to find it out more and more. Now they are telling you angles which are less than right angle with blue. There are many. See, these all are angles less than right angle. So all this you have to mark in blue color. All this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here also there are many. Here also these are all less than 90 degree. Now or less than right angle. Now see children, one more obtuse angle I have found here, more than 90 degree. This is 1, this is 2, obtuse angle this is. Okay. Now children, they are telling you draw anything of your choice around the angle shown. Also draw what kind of angle it is, the first one. Now they have drawn here the picture of this crocodile, and now they are telling this is less than right angle. Now you can draw any of the pictures to its side and tell me which type of angle is this. This is right angle. Pictures you will draw it on your own. I am just going to write whether it is right angle, less than right angle or more than right angle. So this is again right angle. This is more than right angle. This is less than right angle, and this is again less than right angle. Now see children, if you look at the angles, here it is straight, here is also L, but if you look at this is more than something going outside L. Now here L is completed, but it is moving outside, so it is more than. And here it is, if you draw a line like this, or if you draw a line like this, it is less than 90 degree, and this is also less than right angle. So children, we are going to stop here at page number 22. In the next video we will start from page number 23. Today in this video we have studied about 3 angles. One is right angle, second is less than right angle, and third is more than right angle. Okay children, Now meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.